Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you new amazing dialer and call screen for your any Android device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Play Store and search iCall AI phone dialer screen and simply download this app on your Galaxy device or any Android device. Guys, this app download link available on description. Simply click and download. After download, simply tap on open. Simply choose language, tap on done, next, tap on next. Now set this dialer to default dialer. Now look at these completely iPhone style dialer on your Android device. But most important thing about this dialer, guys, you can see amazing new call screen. Look at these many beautiful preset call screen. Okay, let me show you all options one by one. Now look at this set call button style. Guys, you also set button styles. Look at these. Now ringtone, simply tap on allow, and guys, already preset ringtones available on this app. Look at these, all stock preset ringtones. And if you want to set offline ringtones from from my files, then look at this, you also set offline ringtones. Simply go back, SIM preference, you also set SIM preference. Now look at this, don't save history, you also set these options. Now incoming call log, guys, if you want to protect your incoming call, then you also set call log for incoming calls. Look at this, if you enable, then simply set passcode, and you also set pattern or pin log for incoming calls. Now you also back up your contacts, and you also enable or disable after call screen like this. For now, I disable call screen. Now go back, you also set fake call, you also block calls, also change language, you also set call name announcer, flash on call, keypad sound, dark mode, and most important option, change app icon. Simply tap on change app icon and simply set this call icon, tap on apply. Now look at this icon change, simply replace this icon with your stock icon. Look at this. Now go to call screen, look at this favorite, recent, keypad, completely liquid glass style. Now go to setting, and guys, most important thing about this dialer, simply tap on color theme, and look at these many beautiful theme you also set one by one in all contacts. Look at these, tap on emoji, this is all emoji preset themes for call screen. This is cartoon, now let me show you how to set. Simply select anyone like this. Now search contact, select contact, and you also customize your call screen like this. Simply tap on font and color. Guys, you also set font and color and size like this, and also set color. Look at these, all color, gradient colors, font. Now background, you also set awesome different background. Look at these. Look at this half in screen. You also set fade effect with half screen option. Look at this fade effect. Now you also set depth effect like this. After set all settings, simply tap on done button. Now contact, save. Now look at this incoming call. Let me show you. Look at this new call screen on your Android device. This is really amazing. Guys, if you want to use this iPhone style call button, then if you want to cut your call, then simply slide on left side this call button and your call is cut. Now let me show you again. Look at this. This time let me show you. After answer this call screen, this is keypad, speaker, hold, completely like iPhone. Okay, now let me show you how to set custom wallpaper from gallery. Guys, you also set any custom wallpaper from gallery. Then simply tap on upload portrait photo, simply tap on plus button. Okay, now look at this. I select this photo from gallery, simply tap on done button and search contact. Select contact and look at this. This app automatic remove background behind object. Let me show you. If you want to set background color, then you also set background color like this or gradient color like this. Now font color, set font color. Depth effect, and after set all settings, simply tap on done button. Now look at this incoming call. I set this photo from gallery. This is really amazing, guys. So guys, you also set this new dialer and incoming call screen on your any Android device. If you have non-Samsung user, then you set additional setting like this. Look at this. You set additional pop-up setting on other Android devices. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.